Y'all got girlfriends? Yo, welcome to my channel. Did y'all miss me?
No.
Probably so, you know what I'm saying? Your favorite YouTuber out here. Boom. But hey, welcome to my channel. I am Aubrey Love. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, because you know what I'm saying, I'm out here bringing you that great content every day, every other day, every other month, once a year, maybe, you know, sometimes, but I'm here. So today we're gonna be having a, what's it, mukbang from McDonald's, because we cheap and I ain't got no money yet. But if you subscribe and you like this video and you might leave a comment and I get more engagements, maybe I'll have some money because I'll be famous, because YouTube will send me that fat check. Yeah. But we're gonna get right into it, so let's go. Alright, we pulled up in McDonald's, blew a bag. I got us some food, bro. So I ain't never did no mukbang before. But we about to try it out. Y'all got girlfriends?
Nope. I think I got somebody.
Good to talk to, but yeah, my
boy,
girl
they got no game. They ain't here with Mr. Still.
I think we should let them know what we got.
She just posted me.
I think we should let them know what we got.
What you got? You got a girlfriend?
You wanna
No,
see
what food we got.
You got
What food we got.
oh, I got double cheeseburgers.
I got 10-piece chicken nugget.
And quarter pounder. Joint fries.
You got too many doubles too?
McGriddle.
Oh, you got McGriddles?
Yeah.
They serve McGriddles all the way through the day?
What's up? That boy on the phone is good.
They boy on the phone with this girl, y'all. That's it. It used to be bros before hoes. Now, dudes have no ethics.
Okay, I gotta get off the phone.
And be no ethics. They don't care about their bros no more.
It's bros before my female friends.
See, your bros used to be there for you.
All my cousins.
But now, look, I'ma just listen to Michael Scott.
Right.
These fries, Matt boy.
Corinne, tell them how you broke your finger.
That was
Cause he don't drink milk.
Cause he don't drink milk. That boy bones brittle. He always hurt.
we was in the game. I was doing good, so I tried to make the crowd go,
Coach ain't put
ooh.
you in the game no more.
So I picked him up and tried to slam him, and my finger got stuck in his helmet.
My brother finger like it go like this, and the rest of them go like this.
Yeah. But I played the whole game with it broke. Minutes out the game. It didn't hurt it bad.
That was your last middle school game?
But that was in high school. I got moved up to varsity the next game, but I ain't play. Cause my finger broke. I swear to God, stop lying. I was about to say.
Alright, y'all, so I've been home about 2 days now. I've been busting dudes at 2K, Madden, everything.
I beat you at Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat.
I beat you.
Everything. No cap. No cap in my rap.
I beat this man in Mortal Kombat. He beat me 3 times in 2K. But I 21 him 2 times.
I don't remember losing.
You cow.
I only remember when I win. You only as good as your last game. If you're not first, you're last.
That's right then.
Everything is mine. I won. Look, y'all. Y'all play 2K? If you play 2K, add me on PSN at Bobby's Life. Real talk. But other than that, man, I'm the truth. And what else have I been doing? So I got 3 daughters this week. There's a house. Cause I brought them with me from Louisiana. And look, y'all, I ain't never having no real kids. So I gotta wake up, feed them. I go to sleep. They gotta go to sleep. I gotta make sure they get a bath. It's just a lot. It's just a lot, and it's stressful, you know. Don't have no kids.
Look at that newborn. It'll be way more work.
Terrible.
Diapers.
Then I got these dudes. They crying about they ain't eat. So basically I got like 6 kids. I'm a single dad. Nobody's sending me no money. This is where you be like, you can go down in the comments and be like, it's okay. It's alright. I would feel better if you told me that it's okay. But yeah. And what else happened? I went skating yesterday, y'all. I'm trying to learn how to skate backwards. Did not have a good time. I fell about 13 times. I bruised my leg. But I had a lot of fun. I haven't done that since I was a kid. I used to be a good skater. I used to go every Friday and Saturday, but the way my fund's set up, I gotta go into my savings account and put it in my checking, and I take 365 business days. So I can't never have no money.
That's a year.
I only got money once a year. Look at that squirrel.
And
You see that dude driving up with the door open?
Uh-huh.
You got to water down paragraph.
It's not white down. It's Sprite
Why is it blue?
with a soda card.
That's good, right?
So I'm gonna ask these guys some random questions. All right, y'all. What's 12 times 12 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7?
144.
Dude, what? You only got the 12 part. Say it again.
They don't teach them nothing in school no more, y'all.
It's
When
155.
I used to be in school,
Say it again.
they used to teach us stuff,
155, I think.
all these dudes these days want to do is create TikToks and
Who does TikTok?
You!
I don't do TikTok. I don't even have TikTok.
actually I want to make me a TikTok.
I'm
They
stopping
be looking
music.
I
fun.
got a TikTok. Add me on TikTok at Pimp Dre.
Pimp Dre a pimp. He got about 7 girlfriends. If you want a Dre girlfriend and I'll blow up and you saw this, he cheat on you.
Follow me on Instagram. I just made a new Instagram.
My brother has like 13 Instagrams, y'all. He
It's
make a new Instagram every year and don't post no pictures on them.
On my last one, I posted
His
pictures.
last picture,
Not even like your
his
story.
last Instagram, he posted 1 picture. Hey y'all, my brother one of them people on Snapchat. You know them people who post memes every day?
Yeah.
He's a memer. You can't watch his Snapchat stories, but you'll never know what you're gonna see. It's never him. It's always a meme. It'd be like, and then there'll be them good memes. It'd be memes like, man, don't you wish you had a girlfriend who you can come cuddle with and give you Gatorades after the football game? Stuff like that.
Yeah, that'll
I be like, man, my brother be on here crying, man. Get the hashtag get Corinne a girlfriend 2020.
First of all, that's not even how it is. That's about, last night, it was me on my story. Not no memes.
Nah, I ain't watched last night. I'm just there when I be at school, what I be saying, man, all I want to do is be faithful, but y'all be playing.
I never post memes like that. I post like, don't you hate when you playing Madden and the Wi-Fi bad or something like that? I do not be posting none of that. I don't know what you want.
He be posting stuff like, I don't gotta play 2K if I had a girlfriend. I wouldn't even touch this game no more.
Hey, I might have posted that one. I might have posted that one before.
Like his mama gonna let him have a girlfriend. Man, that's crazy, man. I'm just telling y'all how it is, how it be.
Andre, who was that girl you was on the phone with last night?
What they doing for Thanksgiving? That's the question.
For Thanksgiving? I'm eating macaroni.
I'm gonna get a burger for Thanksgiving. The food we had, I hate Thanksgiving food, y'all. No cap in my rap, I hate Thanksgiving food.
I always like the macaroni and the dressing.
Like, why for Thanksgiving, you gotta eat turkey and ham. We can make ribs.
I don't.
We
No,
can
what's
eat,
it called?
Yeah,
we can eat,
I got a
we can
family
make
that's doing
fish.
seafood.
we can eat
Yeah.
chicken. I don't want that. I'm tired of turkey, ham, stuffing, ham, beans, tomatoes, lettuce. I hate all that.
I don't like turkey.
And then y'all, now I need to make it from scratch. Yesterday they had me eat instant potatoes. That's nasty. I don't want no instant potatoes. I want my potatoes to be made in 3 hours.
The chicken pork was good, right?
Yeah, that was
It was
good,
good.
boy.
The chicken part was good. But no, it was pork. It wasn't chicken. It was pork. But look, I don't like that old instant potatoes. Look, y'all subscribe to my channel so y'all can watch me if I get rich. I'm gonna have a chef. Cause I'm not a chef. I am a chef, but I don't like to cook. You know what I'm saying? Some people can relate. Relatable.
Man, y'all just tell me to chef it up, I'll chef it up, man. Put some ketchup, mayo.
Let me tell you something else. No, never eat no food my brother makes, man. He not gonna know what's in it. He make tuna fish with ketchup.
Man, let me tell y'all the story.
So the fish with ketchup.
We ain't had no mayo. Well, we had mayo. We had mayo.
They can do it with mustard.
Wait,
too.
shut up. We had mayo, but we had a little bit left. Me and Shay was like, we gonna have to make some shake, bro, cause we ain't had no groceries, no nothing. We put barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard, and the rest of that mayo in there. And we ate that for like 4 days.
You try to make me eat that shit? Nah, that's nasty.
What was I supposed to do?
I ain't got a flour tortilla and put some nice garlic on it.
Just garlic? That's all you eat?
Bro, sometimes I just be eating cheese and bread, bro. I ain't even gonna count.
Back in elementary, my mama and daddy used to send me with no lunch money, and I ain't have free lunch.
We need that,
They give you a bread and cheese
butter.
sandwich. No, they used to give you a bread and cheese sandwich, like just bread and cheese. I ate that bread and cheese all the time too, boy.
But you better heat that up in the microwave.
But no microwaves back then.
Shoot, I don't got money now. I just be like, well, I be having money every, like once a month they put on there. Look, I got took off for reduced lunch. I don't be knowing like lunch is like $4 a day.
I just charge my account.
I
never
used to ask my mom and dad for money. They be like, what happened to all the money that was in your account?
That's what they.
If you give me $20 and lunch is $4, I'm only gonna have lunch but 1 week.
They be telling me to spend $5 a day, but I like to eat breakfast.
$5 a day. Shut up.
Yeah, and plus
They tell me to
breakfast.
spend $5 a day.
I eat breakfast at Maine, so breakfast at Maine, they got way more options and stuff, so it got more than to do at Harmon.
Boy, I used to be crazy. Boy, I used to be eating breakfast, lunch, mama gonna be, if my mama don't watch my videos, but if she do watch this one, it's the truth. It's not a lie.
And then what happens at lunch money? And that lunch money is gone. I ate that
It's gone. I ate lunch, nigga. I ate lunch. She be mad, boy. And then she'll say something, and then you'll go pretend you're going to somebody's house after you be hungry. So whenever they make the food, you eat a lot, and they be like, man, you can't be eating nothing. And then you gotta look at your mama like,
Heck yeah, man.
I'm lunch money.
No, and then so, what you call it? Man, first of all, you ain't got no lunch money. You go home.
I ain't
You
no
got
food.
nothing at home.
My mama, look, PSA, if y'all watching this and y'all ain't never been to my house, and look, when my mama invite company over, she make a lot of groceries. But that's the 2 times of the year she made groceries.
And y'all be like, bro,
Yeah.
you never home alone. You always having people over your house. That's how I eat. Mom come over the house and y'all got $10 each at Dollar Tree. She give us $10 each, and that's what we gonna get.
You know how to make food last.
Okay.
Got to, on God. But yo, those are mukbang. We appreciate y'all for watching. Follow me on my social medias at Bobby's Life. I would love for y'all to interact with me. That'll be what's up.
You still eat.
That would be cool. And subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Please, if you watch all the way through, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, because I could be their favorite YouTuber too. I couldn't even get the words out. God me. But that's all, man. We love y'all. Until next time. God bless.
Quack, quack.